In this lesson, I will be showing you how to paraphrase a piece of text and how to do a direct quote. Specifically, this lesson focuses on the link in Melick. The material I will be using for this lesson is from Richard Matheson's Button. First, I will be paraphrasing this part on page 18 where Arthur tears up Mr. Stewart's business card. Actually, what I just said was a paraphrase that is pretty close to the finished product. Here is the finished product. After Mr. Stewart leaves, Arthur tears his business card in half. This would work well for a link because it is concrete evidence from the story. If anyone wanted to question this paraphrase, they could go to page 18 of the story and simply check it out for themselves. That is why there is a page number in the parenthetical citation. Look closely at the parenthetical citation. Within the parentheses, we have the author's name and the page number we found the information. Now look where the period is. It is not after half. It is after the parenthetical citation. This is a simple paraphrase. Now, let's take a look at a direct quote. On the next page of the story, Norma tapes the business card back together. And I am going to do a direct quote for this part of the story. That part is circled. Here is the exact information I will be quoting from page 19, but this is not a direct quote I could use for a link. Here is my finished product, which should be a smooth, grammatically correct sentence. While at work the following day, Norma takes the card halves from her purse and scotch tapes the edges together. Like the paraphrase, notice that the period is not at the end of the quote. It is after the parenthetical citation. Next, notice that the direct quote does not stand by itself. I have a short transition into it. Never let a direct quote stand by itself. There are a couple more things to point out. The word again makes this sentence awkward, so I deleted it from the quotation. That's what the ellipses is for. Plus, the original text is in past tense, and we all know that we need to refer to literature in the present tense, so I had to change scotch taped to scotch tapes. If we are making changes to the quotation, we indicate that with the brackets. Here are the examples again. First, we have the paraphrase. Second, we have the direct quotation. Both of these examples would work well for links in a Melick paragraph. When you create your own links, make sure you include the parenthetical citation and make sure to punctuate the sentence correctly. And don't forget the transition when you are using a direct quotation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this lesson. There are many more rules when it comes to paraphrasing and quoting material, but this should get you started. With practice, writing your links with paraphrases and direct quotations will become very natural. So keep practicing, and good luck with all your writing.